You need to see this app in Canva. It's one of those like really good ones. It's called Type Lettering. So go to your apps, click on this app, and what it does, it has some pre-made styles of lettering or letters or fonts. It's about 6 to 8 of them. And what you can do, well, you write your text and then you can choose the font, alignment of the font, you can choose the line height and colors, and you get your text in the style you've chosen. Yeah, so this is really nice. I can see that this can be used in many ways to create your posts and designs really attractive and eye-catching, grabbing the attention. Yeah, very easy. You just enter your text, adjust the colors you want, and maybe adjust the alignment or font, and that's it. And you've got plenty of styles to choose from. Well, you've got more than 6, and I believe they're gonna add more than that. And then you can still work with this text. I love it. It's really nice. Check it out. It's in apps called Type Lettering.